Is this thing the reason why I have to say goodbye to Lady Liselot? Status update on my engine failure. I removed one of the hoses of my oil cooler and I found 3 liters of water. I was able to turn it by hand the other day, and 50 minutes ago I was not able to do that anymore. So the engine is stuck. They have to remove that from Lady Liselot and I have to dismantle my house. No sea too rough, but this is something. I started this video with the post I made a couple of days ago on Insta and Facebook. Due to mechanical failure, not my stupidity. You have seen me do many things that perhaps you think that guy is crazy. North, 2 degrees 1 decimal east. Please keep clear. Maneuvering is difficult. But this time, due to mechanical failure, both engines died on me. The Americans are leaving. Just say goodbye.
Morning.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon.
Thank you.
Just going to Dover, so hopefully we'll be okay.
I am heading for Belgium.
Okay, well, good luck with that.
Yeah, okay, same to you. So, engines are running. The shoreline is stowed away. It's beautiful weather, so I would say let's head for sea then. Port control, good morning. Lady Liselot is leaving the berth, requesting permission to leave the harbour.
Lady Liselot, this is Ramsgate port control. Yes, you have permission to proceed clearance.
Thank you very much and have a good watch. So, goodbye Ramsgate. I said that a couple of days before also. And by now we know what happened then. There's a lot of sun after days of terrible weather. Well, cloudy, rainy, stormy weather. Alarm! There's a dangerous object in the neighborhood. Really? Oh, it's a sailboat. Can I see it? Yes, I see a little bit of sail. The alarm I have set is that I draw a line of 2 kilometers, 1 nautical mile, around the boat, and the moment that AIS object target reaches this safe zone within 3 minutes, then the alarm will sound. Okay, I have to admit something. I am 1 hour out at the moment, and the sea state is almost similar to that of the last episode. There are some enormous differences, however, on board of Lady Liselot. It is actually two things. One, sounds in the boat. This morning I really found everything that was loose on a fixed spot between blankets and cushions. Yeah. The healing is really the same as last episode. And then the second thing is peace at mind. What a difference that makes in seaworthiness of a boat and a crew. I'm wondering, while we rock Lady Liselot on the North Sea, please let me know in the comments what is the reason that you view my videos, that you subscribed to the channel. I would really appreciate it. When I went to Ramsgate, I became very seasick, despite the seasickness pills that I bought from the sailing pharmacist. Yes, these guys sail too, so they have created stuff in a pill. Have it and you will not become seasick, they said. Well, that was not completely true. So I sent an email to this pharmacist saying, well, despite the fact that I use your pills, I get seasick anyway. And she wrote, but the rules are 1 hour in advance before you go to sea. That I did. And then have something of a meal the night before and on the morning that you leave. And then have a pill every 4 hours. So, I already have my second pill, because we are at 4.5 hours now. So you have your pill, 1 hour later you go to sea, and then 3 hours later you have your second pill. Whoa! Whoops. And then all of a sudden there is shallowness. We went from 40 meters all of a sudden to 16. This is way too much. Whoa, what is happening? I'm on shallow grounds. Oof. Okay. Whilst being at sea, and since it is the way it is, and I am enjoying it, I think by myself, how about not sailing to Blankenberge, but how about going to the Netherlands instead, and then go to the Roompot-sluis. It is 38 nautical miles from here. So I have a speed of 8. So in 5 hours I can be in Holland. Another 5 hours? Yeah, well yeah. But otherwise I have to go to Blankenberge, stay over there. So why not in one leg? Ramsgate, Roompot. One of the rules of SOLAS, safety of lives at sea, tells you to keep people informed, your loved ones, if you go for sea. So that is what I did. I sent some WhatsApp messages out, and people are expecting me to go to Blankenberge, and now we have decided to go to Roompottsluis. Okay, I have a problem. I cannot tell what it is. My starboard engine dropped in RPMs and made a funny noise for approximately 30 seconds. Then I thought, what do I hear? What do I hear? What do I hear? And I saw the RPMs drop. So I have switched it off, and I will continue on one engine. I do have enough a diesel in the day tank, because that one was full when I left, and full means 400 liters, and 400 liters means that we can at least drive the boat for 25 hours. Let's test out what happens if we slow down the boat. There's a lot of wind, so the wind will push the boat aside. Yes, that is a warning for the fishing boat. Oh. Okay, I will go downstairs and have a look. It's really a mess out there. Okay. This is no fun, eh? Let me think. Yeah, we must continue. If we go back, it will take us. If we go to Blankenberge, it will take us 3 hours. Yeah, perhaps we can go to Vlissingen. And the distance over there is. Oh, there is not. Yeah, Vlissingen. 12 nautical miles. Okay. In this sea state, and then we have to do with the waves from a side. So that is not a wise. Hold your horses. That is not a wise decision. Okay, I will try to speed up. Yeah, 6.5 knots speed, because we have the current against, and it is 9 meters deep over here, so yeah, there is some water heading that way. Okay, let's see. VHF 18, ja. Roompottsluis, Lady Liselot aan de buitenkant. Goedenavond.
Henk-Jan, duik op terug in Nederland. U wilt de binnen schutten.
Nou, dat is nog eens een ontvangst, zeg. Met wie heb ik het genoegen?
Petrol, Dirkse van de Roompot.
Nou ja, wat ontzettend leuk, zeg. Ontzettend leuk. Ron, ik wil graag naar binnen, inderdaad. En dan ga ik bij jullie in het kommetje eventjes verankeren om te overnachten.
Ja, dat is begrepen hoor. Ik ga hem openzetten.
Fantastisch, dankjewel en een goede wacht. How much wind? What are we talking about? 11. Okay. The sound when I was at sea, it sounded so horrible. It was amongst all the noises that you hear in the video, and all of a sudden there was this extra noise, and I thought, what is happening? And then I saw the drop of the RPMs, and I thought, ooh, throttle in neutral, and I stopped the engine immediately. How long did it run that way? I have no idea. 10, 20, 30 seconds? Houston, we have a problem. I am in the engine room of Lady Liselot. I have 2 times Perkins 6.354 and one has died on me yesterday at sea. All of a sudden I heard a very strange noise and I thought, what is this noise amongst the sounds of being at sea? And I saw a drop of the RPM, so I immediately brought the throttle to neutral, switched off the engine. I checked it the moment that I was on anchor, no oil. And then the second one leaves a trace of oil behind me, and from what I can understand from the people that I spoke with, turbo damaged. And the question is, are these the reason of the end of sailing motor vessel Lady Liselot? Because the invoice, the cost, cut, the director said, this is the end of this video. What? Yes. The moment that I faced the problems and I shared that with some people, they said to me, how about crowdfunding? And I thought, yeah, how about it? I want to give something back. So I decided to create a pay-per-view video, and the URL you will find in the description below. And the moment that you pay for viewing that video from Ramsgate to Oldgensplaat, where I am now, and all the problems I face with my engines, not because of my stupidity, but against all odds, because of failure, mechanical failure. And by paying for viewing this video, you contribute to the enormous, gigantic costs that I face in repairing these engines. So, I hope that you will follow the link below. I can imagine that you will not, but I would say thank you in advance if you do. And I hope to see you in that video. Okay? Bye bye.